All right, we're here in the Westin. Look at that. And look at that. So we got Schindler. It looks like they got rid. This is probably the only one that works.
Look at this, Westin.
That's the old. Look at that fire hose door behind you.
It goes down.
Yeah, it's a Skyway elevator.
So where we?
Yeah, that car is decommissioned. This is a Schindler mod.
You may have an epic motor.
Yep. Let's find out.
We're gonna have a motor going up. Hi, send it to 2.
Did you hear that chime?
Yeah, let's listen to this motor. This is gonna be good. That's a good motor. What about that?
I think it backfired.
Yeah, I don't know what that noise was.
There it goes. And that's it.